My name is Jonas. I'm one of the founders of Cooking for a Cause.
My name is Patrick. I'm videographer for Cooking for a Cause.
The last event we held was the 28th of May, and we were at the Commonwealth in Holte. We had around 80 guests and we donated more than 160,000 Danish kroner. So over the next 5 years we would like to try to donate more than 1 million Danish kroner. Quite ambitious, but we have so many good sponsors and volunteers.
I've been at 2 events now covering the event through video, and the atmosphere is just amazing. It's something that I look forward to personally every year. It's the culmination of all the work that we put into Cooking for a Cause, and Jonas put into Cooking for a Cause now throughout the whole year. And it's something that everybody is looking forward to.
I have a very good volunteer called Kasper. He makes everything on my website and has done it the last couple of years. He knows everything, but we have been at other companies like One.com, but it has never been this easy. And it was also a thing that Kasper had very high in his demands if helping us. He needed to get to One.com because we could gather everything at the same place. The website, it's easy to access, the mails are easy for everyone, also my other volunteers who needs to use the webmail. Everything was gathered at one place and it's very easy to handle, even for me.
It's a great way for the guest and for sponsor or people who are just interested in Cooking for a Cause to get a view of how we represent Cooking for a Cause. So it's a good way to get an overview of what the organization is about.
Kasper, who is the expert of this, but I know it's WordPress and it makes it very easy. He makes all the ground stuff and then he has put in tools that make it able for me to go and edit and put in pictures and other features. Yeah.
In order to let people into the mind of Cooking for a Cause, we implement video on the website so everybody can see the essence of what Cooking for a Cause stands for. So the first 10 or 15 seconds you're on the website and you are greeted with the video, you can see the feeling of Cooking for a Cause. For me, being able to put some content on our website for people to see is just rewarding for me in itself, because I can see that it helps the greater good in our experience.
Well, basically we haven't had the need because there's never been a problem with One.com. So I've only been contacting them with other ideas and so on, but all the time very helpful. Yes, we do, and it's very good, both by logging in and using the webmail, but also to put it on your phone, on your mail applications and so on. Never been a problem, so yeah, very easy, and design is good and easy to, find around and find the right stuff. Yeah. It should be the only place to search, because I can only speak for the way we are using it. I've also used it now on my company, and I know this nice restaurant we are here today also using One.com. It's easy, the price is right, the customer support is easy to get in touch with, and yeah, it shouldn't even be a question to just use One.com.